So if you didn't know, English is a huge language. It has an estimated 700 million speakers and is the third most spoken language behind Mandarin and Spanish. Naturally, with the language reaching so many people, there are bound to be many influences to the English language. So even though English is a Germanic language, it is more so influenced by the Romance languages like French, Spanish, Italian, and Latin. So naturally, you would think we would be able to trace back most of the English etymology back to either a Germanic language, Romance language, or some other historically significant influence. But that isn't the case. Even for some of the most everyday used words like dog, in Old English the name for a breed of dog was called dogge, but it was rarely used, experts say. We also have another word for dog in English, hound, that is clearly derived from the word in German, Hund. But dog doesn't look like any other word in any other language. It seems related to similar untraceable English words like pig, hog, and stag, in which you could say that English speakers just made up. But that's not how most English words are formed. Being that English is not nearly the oldest language in the world, English is mostly composed of many words from many languages that have morphed into what we see today. But if you think that's a big thing to wrap your head around, then guess what? We don't even know where the word big originated. Old English speakers usually use the word great, which is very easily traced back to other languages, but the notorious BIG goes unknown. Some think it was someone's name or something else. No one really knows. And that sounds bad, being that English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. But guess what? We don't even know where the word bad originated, and no, it wasn't from the Michael Jackson album. But the word bad has the same problem as the word dog, as we don't even know where the word came from because it doesn't look like any other word in any other language. The closest word to the word bad is the Old English word badal, which meant womanish man or hermaphrodite. But even that word was rarely used, and we still don't know where the people who spoke Old English got the word badal from. All we know is that the word bad popped up around in the 13th century to describe food having gone, well, bad. But now I think we're getting into even more shocking revelations, with really basic words like boy and girl, with the Old English word girls having been used for both sexes, and the word boy having been used as a derogatory term in the Middle Ages for a rogue, a wretch, or a slave, possibly stemming from an old Dutch word, but no one really knows. But that's just a few words, and now that you know that your words are nothing more than empty husk of dead languages, get out there and learn, and I hope to see you on the next video. Ciao.